To attach the pockets to the base, pay attention to the ironing pad fabric. It's supposed to be on the front of the bag, so this pocket is supposed to be just in front of it. Don't mess it up with this part. If you put it here, you won't be able to use your ironing pad. So once again, front pocket supposed to be in front of the ironing pad. Now measure about 1.5 inch and start attaching this part with wonder clips. So the pockets with the side attached to the bottom part. Same as here. 1.5 inches and start attaching pockets part to the base of the bag. The most difficult probably and the tricky part will be attaching this curve, but be patient and attach it using wonder clips. If it's easier for you, you can use just a needle and thread and attach it with a needle. Try to do your best.